Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video of Princess Cruises' Ruby Princess Alaskan Cruise as it departs Vancouver, BC. We will get great views of downtown Vancouver, Stanley Park, Burrard Inlet, English Bay, North Vancouver and the Sailor Sea, as well as pass under the Lionsgate Bridge en route past Howe Sound, where we'll see whales off in the distance. In a few seconds, we'll pass under the Lionsgate Bridge where the ship's whistle will sound. After passing under the Lionsgate Bridge, looking back, we get great views of Stanley Park, the bridge itself, and Prospect Point. And off to the right, we'll be passing past Siwash Rock, and then into the Sailor Sea. Moving further out of Burrard Inlet, looking back, we get more great views of Stanley Park, downtown Vancouver, and English Bay. Looking north, we get great views of North Vancouver and West Vancouver, and shortly we'll be passing by Howe Sound, where we'll see whales off in the distance. We're just passing Howe Sound now, and off to the southwest of Bowen Island there's a small group of islands, and we've spotted in that vicinity what looks to be grey whales or humpback whales. They're breaching, slapping their fins on the water, and you see the occasional spout. Sorry for the graininess of the video, I've had to zoom in so you can see them. this video, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment, hit the like button, and thanks for watching.